Is your toilet flooring being slippery and lichen or have discolored tiles? Nak cari solution that is affordable and durable? Pebble flooring has amazing anti-slip properties and bagus untuk household with elderly and children. Senang je nak cuci and it can withstand bleach. Just scatter soap powder, brush with hard bristle broom and rinse off with water. It does not peel off or will become buta over time. So, akan tahan lama and lebih murah. Using natural pebbles and epoxy, Porousway ada anti-slip flooring that is laid above your tiles. Tak perlu susah-susah and no hacking involved. Separuh hari for the overlay and the toilet is ready to use after 12 hours. We will now show a video clip of our customer's review.
How do you actually find the anti-slip for the pebble flooring?
The anti-slip is very good. When my parents come over, right, they feel confident going inside the toilet because previously it's quite slippery. Now it's very good. They won't slip at all. And kids like this, right, sometimes they play in the shower, they won't slip at all also.
We assure you of our service and quality. For more info, telefon kami di 9633666696 atau layari www.porousway.com. Untuk tengok dengan lebih dekat, boleh book appointment at our showroom in Tai Seng area.